Satan. Cock and fire full of gun like Remington. Pull it hard up, he got fi kill a man. I have the gang fi me gang pussy run up with your bad. Kryptonite come in the dog, the muscle fighting at the middle of the night to make the place get noisy. You never know, say a little trouble, I coulda run in your yard and take a 3 pints. Babylon, Panellian, in the street, and the main, and the buck him and Jesus Christ. I make him run, I make him out, I make him sleep, even nights more. Yeah, dash him when nobody can find us. You must be sick, and I 17, I jump in the east. 45, kick me, caught it, now miss me finger. Me gun, then I stick. Fire full of gun like Remington. Pull the charge up, pick up a killer man. Let the gang fi me gang pussy run up in the man. Make the man push body up.
And so like some, my love is very special. If you want it, you can have it. But don't take me for granted. So much things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in J.A. We can do it on that beach there.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Rocky, set it, rocky, set it, rocky, set it, rocky, set it.
One shot, somehow you got extra. Forget me not when it's sweet.
Alright, y'all ready for cheese?
Look at that, pour that. Well, no, that was 105 between me and Fatima, so we had 55 between us in the week. Alright, so you got hit like 2? Yes. I'm more number 2. Alright.
When you do, buckle up, I mean,
Hello, beautiful beings. We're in fucking Jamaica! I didn't get a chance to record very much last night because we were tired as fuck, but right now it is 6:11. You know what time it is. If you watch the Vegas vlog, you know my beige flag is I like to work out on vacation. So the gym here opens at 6 a.m. so I'm about to get my ass over there because this resort is like easily 2-3 times bigger than the other 2 we've gone. We always go to Bahia Principe because we just like them. And this is the first time we've ever gone to one of their really big resorts. So I'm trying to get my ass in the gym before it gets really busy. So with that being said, let's fucking go.
Yeah, my mind. Yeah, my mind.
Don't do any type of screen or skincare before the gym. However, the one thing I will fucking do, because we're out in the Caribbean and you should be doing it anyway, is sunscreen. Now, y'all, why did I see this girl in this vlog talk about how she was annoyed that her friends were telling her to put sunscreen on and calling them colorist and saying that they didn't want her to get black? And it's like, baby girl, they don't want you to get sun cancer, skin cancer. I could not believe this girl was sitting there like, oh my God, these girls just don't want me to get dark. Like, I love getting dark. I'm like, me too, but I also don't want cancer. So make sure y'all are wearing your sunscreen. I don't understand why people be thinking that black people cannot get sunburnt, sun poisoning, any type of sun ailments. Like, y'all, we got melanin. That's powerful. Put your fucking sunscreen on. We ain't got no ozone layer. So I'm gonna make sure I got sunscreen all over my body. And that'll be our only skincare. And I will take it with me because I actually saw on the fucking plane that it said that you're supposed to like reapply sunscreen every 2 hours. Yeah. And more if you're sweating or going in the water. And I said, oh, really? Because I do it like once a day and I'm good. But yeah, it's hot as fuck. Put my headband on, drink this pre-workout, and I think we are going to be good to go. I have not done my lashes. I haven't done my nails. But my thought process is we're going to be here all week. So I'm going to do that today. Because I want to dunk my junk in the pool, like, fully. Like, I just want to at least have one time where I can just be fully submersed. This shit is dirty as hell. And then I will go ahead and do my lashes and nails because they'll have better adhesion if I don't go into the pool. I feel kind of kooky because I feel like normally on vacations I look very I usually have everything done. Like, I didn't have any time to do my hair. No time to do my lashes, no time to do my nails. I didn't even have time to wax my lips. We had a very, very, very busy week. And in fact, the fucking day before we left, we had a pop-up shop. So the time that I was going to take to do all those things went to a pop-up shop. It was actually great. It was a very great pop-up shop. We made a lot of money, made a lot of time, had a lot of time with our friends who are also vendors, but it did significantly eat into the prep time. Like, we came home from the pop-up shop and then I drank an energy drink, twisted my boyfriend's hair, and that took like 2 hours. And then we went to sleep. So I had literally nothing done. We're here, we're happy, we're safe, and we're about to go work out. Woo, I feel that heat. That dude got the right idea.
So it was around this time we realized they never gave us a towel card. And we are people who will put our towels down on chairs to mark our territory, so to speak. And we were so confused. We had no idea where to go get them. But the spot to get your towels is actually kind of like catty corner to the pool bar. So you give them your towel card, they take it, they give you your towel, and then when you return the towel, they give you back your card, and that is how you continue to get fresh beach and pool towels.
You're just sleeping next to your Quill. I love that for you. I love that for you. It gets friendly. That was an old cat.
Kryptonite coming out of the muscle fighting at the middle of the night to make the place get nice. You never know, say a little juvenile could have run in your yard and take a cheap price. Babylon, Panellian in the street, and the main and the up to my last trees are ice. Now make him run, now make him out, now make him stop living a inch more. Nobody can find this me. You must be sick.
There is. Not as much. It's definitely there.
Smells like it too. The seaweed.
You see the whole resort.
Good spot to take pictures.
There they are.
We have successfully claimed a spot. Gotta put our shit down. Go eat. And then hopefully it'll be time to drink. On a side note, this place seems a lot more strict about certain things. I think previously, and we didn't know it until we came here, we have been going to their smaller resorts. This one, I think I said actually yesterday, that it definitely feels like 2 to 3 times bigger than the other ones that we've gone to. We went to one in Mexico and one in DR. Other ones, there's a spot where you can like get towels. I don't fucking see that anywhere.
Mama, a girl behind you.
They get really upset if you lose like the towels they give you, and they'll charge you $10. At least that's what it said in the booklet. And I was like, what the fuck? I tried taking some from the gym, and the guy was like, no, hey guys, like you have to leave these here. Now actually he only said this to my boyfriend. He didn't say it to me, and we were both came in and out together, and he was only talking to my boyfriend. Also told him like, oh sir, you can't have like, we had like our fake Yeezys on. He was like, oh, you have to wear sneakers, which is what I was going to wear originally. And my boyfriend was like, no, I'm just gonna wear my sandals. At home he'd be yelling at me because I work out barefoot, no socks, nothing. Like he'd be like, well, what if the weight falls on you? Like at least you have some type of protection. And I'm like, I'm at home. I want to be comfortable, and for me as a yoga teacher, it's comfortable to be like without like shoes or socks. But alas, we are in a public gym. I think that's why I really like working out at home, so I could put my music on, I could do whatever the fuck I want. I could watch anime, you know what I'm saying? I didn't bring my headphones today to the gym because I thought me and my boyfriend were gonna work out, and this bozo gonna go work out by himself, and I was like, I don't want to listen to yes and say the shit with your chest.
What are you doing here?
Okay, you got the thing out. Yeah, it's time.
Whoa! It's time for what?
She got the fan out.
Ah, yes.
They were running low on the syrup. So
They were running on the syrup. Yeah. Yeah, but if I know what happens, I'm not going to.
Like a sweet potato.
It reminds me of like plátanos almost in a way.
Feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. Now see what you make with that pain all over. My feelings to this swing like Django Lover. Feelings to this swing like Timbani at you. Come on, white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you, and if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you.
The waves crashing and the birds singing will always sound beautiful to me. That first night, the main buffet had a Canadian Day theme to celebrate Canada's Independence Day on July 1st. You may remember some other buffet-themed days from our Mexico and DR trips where we also stayed at body resorts. Whenever I'm at buffets, I tend to get the fried foods and breads, but I at least attempted to prioritize protein this trip.
Just a little bit.
I started jokingly. I didn't expect you to actually.
Previously, I really liked octopus in my mom's food, so it was like jerk octopus. It was very good. Very chewy.
What's so Canadian about lobster
Apparently, lobster is very Canadian, with Nova Scotia being Canada's lobster capital, drawing a crowd every year for their lobster crawl in February. If their lobster crawl is anything like Lobsterfest, then I'd be down to clown.
It's believable. Stop pimping for Lobsterfest.
I wanted poutine. And where's the gravy, damn it? Damn, that octopus is seasoned so much. I love it. It's funny because there's certain things where it's like really, really seasoned, and other things that are like super fucking bland.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight.
Gonna have to bleep this out because I don't want no copyright strike. Copyright strike. Dink. What's that? What's that?
Oh, don't they got people's name on it or something? George Gordon and Paul Bogle. Can you see the face?
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's cool. I like the money. I want to keep some put on
plastic.
my... It's plastic. Oh. So we have changed. Gotta wear sneakers. And I'm ready to go. I'm fucking tingly as hell because that pre-workout is working. So it's time for me to work. Listo?
Yeah. But the do not come in sign.
Alright. By the way, I have to do a room tour probably towards the end. I feel like I look like that one dude. Who's Alicia Keys' husband? Is it no, not Common. Who's the other guy? Don't I kind of look like him? If we can't remember, I'm gonna put it in the video.
No, I'm gonna.
Who's that dude?
Give me a second.
What's his name?
Swiss Beats.
Swiss Beats. There we go. Yeah.
Yeah, man, in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on foot. Going to rise on boss. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. Yeah, we give thanks that we really supposed to. Thanks.
My hands are like shaking.
On day 2, we went to the other buffet, which definitely looked much newer than the first one, design-wise anyway. The food served here was the same as the first one, except for some delicious bubble waffles I had to nab.
I wanted to sleep in longer this morning.
The one curious thing about this Bahia resort was the lack of wildlife in comparison to Mexico and DR. We had only seen birds. These birds, like the other ones, were a little mischievous and like to go after unattended food.
There it goes. Now this is more like the experience we're used to having. Just animals everywhere.
Once you see on deck right here, the beautiful lady standing with a tray with some lovely colored drink. Let me tell you, you don't want to spoil these. You gotta try them. It's awesome. Yeah.
Right away. Smear, sir. We got girl. You know we got girl. Why not? Right around the world. Hey, you know what she said? What she said? She want Shatta. She no want Harry Potter. She want.
Who's in the six? All right, my lady in six. Get over here. All right, so Richard, go. Let's have to be out.
Oh my god.
The stopwatch ready? And Lady Visionary is going to assist me with this one. So, Bridget, your time starts now. Let's go. And time. Guess what? So what is the challenge? We're not going to say we're going to lose. Even if we know we're going to lose, we're going to be confident losing. 1, 2, 3, and go! Come on, bravo. Guess the time.
29!
Oh my God, it was gonna be 28, but it didn't come straight. He went like that.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Back, forward, 360. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, and around. 8. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, and around.
Thank you.
We are now back in the room, taking a little bit of a break before dinner and the Bob Marley tribute event. Today was really fun. I was so happy we got so many like awesome clips because yesterday was so much fun, but like I didn't really record anything and I was like, I don't know y'all, like we fun as fuck, we funny. I want to show how great of a time we're having. Yeah, I'm tired as fuck, super tan. I just needed to lay down. BB is in the shower right now. Well, I want to really quickly talk about Hurricane Beryl. No, not that Beryl. Hurricane Beryl. Family members were like kind of worried. Currently, they are not expecting it to get bad, and I sincerely hope that it stays that way. They're kind of expecting some rain. I think they're gonna have the beach and the pool closed tomorrow, and I think they had us get out early today. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous, but again, I'm just really hoping that it's not bad. And we're also like the furthest point from where it's like expected to be. The employees seem to be trying to keep us relaxed, which is what I mean. Shrimp and scallop, broccoli, onion, and green pepper. That's it. Yes. Aesthetic? I love it. That night, we headed to the hotel's event space. Now, normally the resort would have a different show each night. However, due to the hurricane, we only went to one event. that noise? The wind. That's the wind? I was wondering what that was. Oh, anyway. It is Wednesday. And we got this paper basically saying that... Shut it down. Yeah.
Shut it down. Forget it.
They told us we basically cannot go outside of our room. We're supposed to stay here in our room the whole day. They're gonna bring us food. And yeah, they're like, it's gonna be rainy, it's gonna be windy, it's gonna be gusty. So we just don't want people outside. Even though they like weren't on the TV, they weren't saying that they were expecting it to be like more than rain. I think just the fact that it is a fucking hurricane and we're here on a resort by the water. I think they're just doing their due diligence. But we have some of our stuff in our friend's room. We texted them to see when they, like, if they're awake. They haven't responded yet. But once they're awake, I think we're gonna like run. Just hightail and just not going outside. We understand. But like I need my shit. Ooh, I got yogurt lips. Ew. I had such a regimented face routine at home, and this past week I have been not treating my skin well at all. I don't know if y'all can hear that. That's it? Yeah. The fucking hanger. Oh, my glasses. Can you see? Maybe you can see how humid my glasses are. So, here is the breakfast they brought us. So we did tell them that we don't eat meat, and I don't think they told them or whatever, but that's okay. We're just gonna eat like what we can. Honestly, I wish Canyon was here, because I would feed him so much food. Canyon is our puppy, if y'all ain't know. We're gonna be okay. Well, baby, I wouldn't want to be anywhere else but with you, huh?
Just like COVID all over.
It is, boys. Oh, smart. At least he got mayo, I'm not gonna lie. Honestly, I just feel bad because I feel like we're wasting so much.
It's done just you good. It's done just yeah, done just. Just for the record. Just for the record. If they like the job at the tomato, then no go catch up.
This time I want
To my mess up. Anything you wish me.
Baby?
Hi. How many of you guys in the room? Two.
Thank you, Devin! I might have been a little sunburnt right here because it felt kind of like really cooling, unlike the rest of my face. Oh, this is like a really liquidy one. I'm riding on your rhythm through the solar system. Come with me, yeah. So it is now 1:20. It has been raining on and off all day. Pretty windy all day. Personally, I think the weather feels great. I'm not gonna lie to you. Excuse me. But, you know, we've just been staying inside. My boyfriend went to give our friends the whatever the hell meat they gave us to eat. Because we don't eat meat, and we called earlier today and told them that we don't eat meat, that we are pescatarian. They're like, okay, we'll let them know. And then twice now they have given us food we can't eat. They also have yet to come back to give us something to eat. And I was just sitting here like, damn. Imagine you were just like vegan, like just vegan. What would you be eating right now? BB made me some coffee. I like my shit sweet, so he really tried his best to make it as yummy as possible. I've been having great strides editing the Vegas vlog. I think I will probably take a little break. I feel like I want to keep harnessing this energy of wanting to edit I don't want to do too much and then feel very like burnt out from editing because I still have this whole video to do at some point. So I'm trying to enjoy Jamaica as much as possible because I don't want to squander it, especially with how I was feeling at home and feeling so stressed out about everything. Like, this is a good break. So they just brought some food. It's actually nice and hot, unlike the food we got earlier. Seems like they kind of got it like specially delivered for us so then we don't eat meat. Quite happy about that. Our friends they took forever to get our friends food. It was just a hot mess. So I'm glad that they at least brought this. I hope my friends get their shit figured out because what the fuck? I'm fucking this up. This tree was swaying for so long, and I knew it was gonna fall. So I recorded for half an hour, and the second I stopped recording, it fell. Y'all, I was genuinely so upset for like a week and a half that I missed this. No. Oh. Later that night, my boyfriend saw people walking towards the main buffet, so we made our way over. The state of the hotel was interesting, but not terrible. Like the long way. Yeah. Oh, I just looked. This food was super bland compared to the other days, but I'm sure it was what could be put out the quickest. Also, we got like a bottle of wine that we just took back to our room, so that was pretty nice. Cheers.
We survived.
They got this shit back open, but it's not like fully open. But you know, it's at least a little bit better than last night. But yeah. Alright, y'all. It's been a little bit, and I just want to check in because it has been quite an eventful day. I'm going to go ahead and do my skincare routine because I might be doing makeup tonight. I want to. I'm feeling a little bit lazy, but if I do makeup, then I need to give my face at least like 30 minutes to kind of absorb the skincare. The hurricane barrel has passed us, and there was some damage to the grounds, but like not super crazy. There was other places that got hit harder than us. Our friend's room got fucking flooded, so then they had to be moved to another room yesterday. And then it was not the ocean view, which is what they paid extra for. And they were told that they were going to be moved to this other room just for like the day until they got their other room. And they at first didn't seem like they were trying to give them the oceanfront view. And my friend was like, we paid extra for that. And they were like, oh, okay, well, if you paid extra, then yeah, you'll get it. She was like, oh, you better. So as of right now, they still haven't been given their other room, even though they said they were going to get another room by 3:30. It's like 4:30, almost 5 o'clock. Apparently, they said that there's like a whole bunch of people at the front desk right now really pissed off about their room changes. All of the fancy restaurants, which like me and my boyfriend have touted as like the pinnacle of their like food program, all closed except for one, their Japanese restaurant, but the reservations, which you need to get into them, is completely booked. So we missed our dinner yesterday because the shit was closed, like everything was closed. We're going to miss it today because it's closed. If we don't have one for tomorrow,
then we're not going to end up doing any because we leave Saturday, so there's not enough time.
I want to quickly explain how the restaurants work at Bahia Resorts. You get a certain number of dinner reservations you can make based off the duration of your trip. It might be like every 2 days you get one, but I'm uncertain. With this trip, we should have had 4 reservations, but spoiler alert, due to the hurricane shutting down, we only got to experience 1 restaurant.
Friend said that she has never had such a terrible experience at a place, and in fact will never come back.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel cause I got a chauffeur, cause that's how I get around the world. Just minutes me with the drama, unless you come in with that promise. Or DJ turn the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up. From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like speaker. Ooh, sweating on my concealer. Skin tight, no millimeter. And my face card, I can feel faker. But you know that my body is a healer. Ooh, I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Ooh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up, up. You know I love to make it jump, 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 jump.
You know, I didn't know, I didn't realize at all in Vegas that the shit goes up.
Huh?
Yeah. They're like this the whole time.
What, until I did it the other day?
Yes, that was the first time I realized you could do it. And you know what's crazy? I said to you, I wish you would go higher. That's the only thing. And you probably ain't think nothing of it because you were like, oh, she just means like,
I thought you were
like taller than what it goes. But it was no, I had no idea. Right now we're gonna try to take some pics. We are here, we're vibing, we're having fun. Our friends are not having as much fun as we are, which is sad. They had a lot of like issues, which
I think it hinders how much we can have fun.
yeah, because we want them to have a fun time too. They haven't been getting the best service. They're trying to get up to this Jamaica sign.
We'll solve the rain.
Headed to the dinner.
This resort was so expansive compared to others that we didn't even see an entire portion of the grounds until we had dinner on the other side. Here was the kids' water park as well as another beach area. We ended up walking on this side of the beach before we left though.
Oh, I think we just found some limoncillo or canepas, depending on where you from. But that shit looks like it.
We wait for them outside?
Yeah.
While we waited for our friends, we overheard someone telling other guests about how they've been to this resort before, and this particular restaurant has essentially shit food, but that the view more than makes up for it. I unfortunately had to agree. The food was okay to me, but my trip buddies did not like it, and I ended up eating some of their leftovers. I loved the food in Mexico and DR, so this saddened me, especially since our other reservations were canceled due to the hurricane. There was no other chance to rectify this bad taste in our mouth. Pun intended. Oh no, you're good. You're okay.
Yeah.
Take a picture of yours.
Well, cuties, it's our last day in Jamaica. We just had some breakfast. I've been trying not to eat too much because my stomach has been all sorts of ways. Just feeling crazy. I feel like losing weight has made my alcohol tolerance go down because I just don't have the weight to sustain it. I'm bottom of the alcohol drinking competition. I think BB's #1 undefeated champ every year. I think we're just gonna enjoy the beach one last time. I'm not even gonna go in. I just want to listen to the ocean waves and meditate before I gotta go back to my regular life. That's a joint. Watch out, baby. Hold on. Thank you.
On our way. We have a question for you. We are out of ice for drinks. So that means the whole airport is out of ice. So we can go without ice in your drinks, or we can wait until tomorrow when ice will be made. It's your choice. Please let us know.
10 days or 5K.
10 days or 5K.
Coming number 8 regular.
Yep.
And what's the drink?